These are the top 3 Virtual DJ keyboard scratch mappings for you as a professional DJ. Now the first mapping is this one, which takes the action of forward and backward scratches, that is to produce baby scratches. The first mapping is for the forward scratch. The mapping is that one, as you can see. Let me zoom in so that you see it clearly. That is the first mapping for forward scratch. Now to bring back the scratch, you have to use the backward scratch. That is the mapping for backward scratch, and that is the mapping to trigger forward and backward scratch on Virtual DJ to produce baby scratches. Now that is the first mapping for producing scratches on Virtual DJ. Now let's get more professional, and this is the other mapping for scratching on Virtual DJ, which sounds a little bit more professional. This is the mapping shift and down question mark scratch plus 120. You can use 60, 50, 10 or 100. This is the mapping for you to trigger the scratch. Now this mapping here, use only one key to scratch, which is a little bit more easier to work on because you'll be using only one key to scratch instead of 2 keys. Now you can choose to use any of them, either to use the 2 keys for forward and backward scratch, or this one, which requires only 1 key to trigger. Now let's get to another mapping here of DNA scratches. This is the third mapping to produce better scratches on Virtual DJ. Now that is the first DNA scratch mapping there for you to produce professional DJ scratches. That is the first one. I have many DNA scratch mappings here. Let me try to solve for you at least 6 of them. You can go on and take screenshots. This is the second mapping for DNA scratches. Scratch underscore DNA. Then you open those quotes. Then you type in those letters there. Make sure you type in the exact letters I've shown you here to produce the best scratches for you. Now this is the third DNA scratch mapping here. This is the third. Let's get to the fourth. This is the fourth mapping for DNA scratch. And this is the fifth DNA scratch mapping that I have. And the sixth is this one here. And this is the last one. In Virtual DJ. Now if you find this video wonderful and helpful, please like this video, share this video to others. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next video notification just here on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.